Today, we're diving into the Sony WH-1000XM5, and trust me, your world is about to get a whole lot quieter. These aren't just headphones. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation that truly silences the chaos of daily life, from airplane engines to bustling cafes. It's an immersive, peaceful escape, letting you focus purely on your audio, making them a top contender for the best noise-canceling headphones. Worried about charging? Don't be. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, these Sony headphones will power your longest flights and work weeks without a hitch. And for seamless transitions, the multipoint connection lets you effortlessly switch between your phone and laptop without missing a beat. Pure convenience. Beyond the specs, it's the comfort and crystal clear sound that truly set the XM5S apart, making every listening session a premium experience. If you're looking to upgrade your audio experience and truly escape into your music, podcasts, or calls, these are a game changer. Curious about the latest price or ready to buy? Find the official Amazon link in the description below to grab your pair. They're not just headphones. They're an investment in tranquility and superior sound, making them a perfect fit for the best electronics of 2025. So, if you want the ultimate in wireless noise-canceling technology, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are absolutely my top recommendation.